planned out. Of course, I was about to do more videos for you guys as well. So, planned out, guys. But now I am throwing in the towel. I'm throwing in the towel, you guys. I am throwing in the towel. It's like 1:47 a.m. in the morning, guys. And I cannot stay up all night till 6 a.m. So in other words, yep, but I said earlier that my dad and his sister, my auntie, have finally won. So I guess I won't be getting my big bottle of red wine for my birthday. I won't be getting that for my birthday. For my dad and from my auntie, sister. I won't be getting that, so that means you know what I said earlier, right? Yeah, so for 2 weeks, for 7 days, and for 2 weeks, also 7 days, I'll be eating, guess what I'll be eating? That's right, vegetables. Well, some vegetables that I will cook myself, and some vegetables that my dad will cook, and some vegetables that my auntie, my dad's sister will cook. I'll be having there for 7 days in a row for 2 weeks. I'll be having that because I failed the staying up all night challenge. So I'm off to bed pretty soon, guys. So we off to bed after episode 10 of Last Connection Wiggles. Because there's clips of it in a playlist, so yeah, so what I'm trying to say is that I epic failed the staying up all night challenge. Couldn't do it, so I won't be doing any more staying up all night challenges anymore, because yeah, I am getting older. I'm about to turn 34 in August, so that's it, guys. I'm not doing any more staying up all night challenges. Really. Failed that challenge, so that's the last of it. It couldn't be seen. And then for 7 days in a row, for 2 weeks, I'll be eating vegetables. For 2 weeks. 7 days. For 2 weeks. Eating vegetables. Because I couldn't, complete the challenge. Challenge. How dumb I am. The orange Wiggle kids, the original first orange Wiggle has given up. No! Oh god, so yeah, like I said earlier, I failed the setting up on my challenge. So now I have to pay the price. I have to pay the price and hit festivals bills for 7 days in a row for 2 weeks. At least. And I won't be getting any wine for my birthday. Damn it! So I guess I have to have my guest appearance. Kirby, not to, give me a gift voucher. Maybe just some money and something on. Maybe I could put chocolate or something on me. I was talking about my guest appearance start. When I talk to her today or tomorrow. Oh yeah, that's right. I guess my guest appearance, Kirby, is back from Hawaii. She came back on Saturday. She said she was coming back on Sunday, right? But we're like 1 day behind. Because we're like one day behind. And because in Hawaii, we're like 1 day behind Hawaii. Yeah, so yeah, she came back on Saturday. She said she was coming back on that Sunday here. No, she'll be coming back on Sunday. Which is 1 day ahead. In Hawaii, but we are 1 day behind. Hawaii. It's complicated. It's complicated. So anyway, yeah. Like I said, epic fail. Better go to bed after episode 10 of the Lights Come Action Wiggles. Because... And... Of course, I'll see you next time. Of course, what I always say down in my videos will be down in the description below. Because there'll be 3 to 7 more YouTube channels coming very soon. In the meantime, be on the lookout for more surprises coming your way. I'm so very tired. I'm gonna eat the haystack. Over there. I mean the haystack. I'm gonna hit the haystack. Yeah, so in the meantime, guys, can you point your fingers and keep on wiggling? Epic fail!